Apple's latest launch event was packed with shiny new toys, but beneath the awe-dropping spectacle, we can't help but think if the iPhone Air is a genuine innovation or just Apple's latest anchoring tactic. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. The iPhone Air is razor thin at 5.64mm, that has a slightly larger 6.5-inch display and carries the A19 Pro chip, giving it a performance edge over the base iPhone 17, which has a 6.3-inch screen and the standard A19 chip. Here's the catch, because that's where the advantages stop. Let's break it down. The Air costs $999, but comes with just one camera lens, a smaller battery, and fewer features overall compared to the regular iPhone 17, which starts at $799 and gives you dual 48-megapixel cameras, 256 GB storage, and a longer battery life. This is the literal textbook example of anchoring. People sitting in Apple must have thought, let's make a $799 phone look lesser next to a $999 model that's not objectively better, just different. Apple wants you to look at the price difference and think, just $200 more for something pro-sounding and thinner? Why not? But this Air is more smoke than substance. It's just a forward-looking design experiment, likely a testing ground for future foldables or SIM-free phones, and really not that must-buy for most users. Unless you're dying to hold the future before it's ready, the iPhone 17 gives you far more features and is more value for money. So the choice is really yours if you want to flex the slimmest iPhone or just want something that's more efficient and less expensive. What are you choosing then? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.